Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable convert HDR10 plus videos when sharing in picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then on your home screen or in the app screen, tap on the gallery app. Once the gallery app has opened, tap on the menu key at the bottom, and from the pop-up, tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on convert HDR10 plus videos when sharing. So if this is switched on before you are sharing your videos, your phone will compress the video files to make it smaller, and then after that it will share the file. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.